Raspberry Pi versus Arduino, which to choose for your project? When it comes to building electronics projects, two names often stand out: Raspberry Pi and Arduino. But which one should you choose? Let's dive into the differences to help you decide which platform is best for your project. What is Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is a fully functional, affordable mini computer that runs on an operating system, typically Linux-based. It's equipped with a powerful processor, memory, and ports that allow it to handle complex tasks such as web browsing, coding, and even running servers. It is best for projects that need computing power, networking capabilities, or multimedia output, such as home automation systems, media centers, or game emulators. Let us see some example projects. 1. Smart home hubs. 2. Surveillance cameras with facial recognition. 3. Web servers. What is Arduino? Arduino is a microcontroller board designed for simpler, hardware-focused tasks. It lacks an operating system but excels in controlling hardware, reading sensors, and handling repetitive tasks like turning LEDs on and off or controlling motors. It is best for projects that require direct control of physical components, simple prototyping, or tasks that don't need complex software processing. Let us see some example projects. 1. Automated plant watering systems. 2. LED light shows. 3. Simple robots. Key differences between Raspberry Pi and Arduino. 1. Computing power. Raspberry Pi has significantly more processing power and memory compared to Arduino, making it capable of running full operating systems and multitasking. 2. Operating system. Raspberry Pi runs on a Linux-based OS, whereas Arduino does not have an operating system and runs a single program at a time. 3. Ease of use. Arduino is simpler for beginners who want to get started with basic electronics projects, whereas Raspberry Pi may have a steeper learning curve due to its OS and programming complexity. 4. Connectivity. Raspberry Pi supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet, making it suitable for projects that require internet connectivity, whereas Arduino typically needs additional shields or modules for similar connectivity. 5. Power consumption. Arduino consumes less power and is ideal for battery-operated or low-energy projects, while Raspberry Pi requires more power and is typically plugged in. When to choose Raspberry Pi? 1. You need to handle complex tasks or run multiple programs. 2. Your project involves multimedia output or user interaction. 3. You require network connectivity and more advanced programming options. Example, building a retro gaming console or a smart mirror. When to choose Arduino? 1. You need simple, real-time control of sensors and actuators. 2. Your project is hardware-focused and doesn't need a full OS. 3. You're working on something lightweight that runs continuously on battery. Example, creating a temperature and humidity sensor or a motion-activated light. Conclusion: choosing between Raspberry Pi and Arduino comes down to the needs of your project. For computing-intensive projects with networking and multimedia requirements, go with Raspberry Pi. For straightforward hardware interactions and low-power applications, Arduino is the way to go. Understanding these differences will help you pick the best tool to bring your ideas to life.